Welcome to EGT Networks, Inc., Global IT Resources. The acronym EGT stands for Excellence, Growth, Technology. We are a global managed IT services and product supplier firm based in USA. EGT offers comprehensive IT solutions to a diverse clientele, including consumers, small businesses, enterprise-level corporations, and government agencies. Services and products include the following: managed IT technical support services, onboarding IT equipment services, cybersecurity services, AI custom agents and bots services, cloud software services, VoIP business phone services, security camera system services, IT service level agreement, SLA at installation and upgrade projects, business consulting services and online product store. Leadership. The founder and CEO of EGT Networks, Inc. is Harold E. Green. With over 30 years of IT experience, he has led EGT Networks, Inc. to serve a diverse range of clientele, from small businesses to large enterprises and government agencies. Some of our clientele include AIG Insurance Global Headquarters, JP Morgan Chase Headquarters, Marc Jacobs Offices, Chemical Bank Headquarters, Macy's Corporate Headquarters, U.S. Department of Defense. Vision and approach. Mr. Green founded EGT Networks since 2000 and has implemented his vision in place to build a stable and growing firm that provides personalized service to clients. His leadership focuses on building trusted client and vendor relationships, which ensures long-term success. Expanding service offerings under his guidance has continuously developed and meet evolving client needs. Nurturing and recruiting talent with our internship program has produced highly trained technicians for years. Expertise and philosophy. Our network of IT professionals with over 30 years of experience, IT certifications, and a commitment to customer satisfaction is a stable foundation for growth. Our partnership with a network of global vendors, including Microsoft, Google Cloud, and Dell, has delivered a wide variety of modern and secure solutions. The company's philosophy centers on being a trusted technology partner that provides personalized service to help clients grow their businesses. The EGT team. Global referral agents. We have a team of agents promoting our services and products to businesses globally using our referral network of resources. Administrative support provides administrative support to internal processing, while supporting global referral agents and other team members. IT technicians. Network of talented professionals providing technical support on site and remote to clients. Internship program. Designed to provide interns real-world experiences. Thank you for taking the time to find out more about EGT Global IT Resource Network. You can find us online at www.egtnetworksinc.com or give us a call or email.